Again, we have the old school logo right here. Unboxing video, very special, cool unboxing video. You're going to see some really interesting blades today. So as you can see, I have a new Laredo Bowie. I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know yet, but that's the box. And what does it say? It says 3V. So I have a couple Laredos with me. This is the SK5, this is Sami 3. So let's unbox this right here. So we'll come in. There is the sheath. That's kind of a nasty sheath in my opinion, but hey, it's what it is. And I have cool leather sheaths, but we'll see what that's all about here in a second. So, oh wow, the first thing I notice is that the texture of that G10 handle. And we have a cool blade. And if you come in real close, there is some hair on it already, which that is not from Cold Steel. That is from my twin, who's filming the video right now. And I told him to do it, and he did it, and so that's okay. So I'm gonna wipe off the hair and the grease. And I'm just, from what I see right now, this is just absolutely beautiful. Man, that G10 doesn't feel as slick as, say, the micarta. I'll put this right here so it doesn't blow away. But yeah, that is outstanding quality. And come in and look at it. So the grinds look good, tip looks good, everything just feels just very well done and finished. You know, I've been playing around with my Japanese made Sami, this Cocobolo version right here, faux Cocobolo. And I mean, the Japanese version's really good, but in my opinion, this feels just as good. The quality seems there. Let's see. That's actually catching my thumbnail. I don't think it's going to shave, and it's not. But as far as like a back cut goes, you know, especially when you have like bone, that's going to, you know, make your hand pop open. Let's go ahead and see what Austin already tested. Can you see that hair right there? Yep. So it feels sharp, but honestly, I think it could be a little bit sharper. The factory edge, there seems to be a good bit of meat behind the edge, and I'm gonna strop it and see how sharp it gets, but I mean, I know I can back that up really easily. The tip seems good and strong. Let's go ahead and do a comparison real quick. So this is the old Sami made in Japan. Man, look at that logo. Isn't that logo just great right there? And then you have the new GSM logo, which actually, like, besides the fact that I know that it reminds me that Cold Steel has been sold, this new logo right here, I think is better than the logo they came out with a few years ago. If you'd zoom in on it, I do kind of like how, you know, you see that little knife shape or whatever. But this is my favorite Cold Steel logo. I think they just got it right and it looks well done. But did you get a close-up of these handles?
The Sami is a lot glossier.
And this is a micarta right here.
Yeah, and this is a little bit duller or matte finish. I really like the nickel silver guard. I think that's nickel silver. But yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks really good. And so I do not plan to use this sheath. Let's go ahead and get this sheath out. Andrew Demko, support Andrew Demko. So here's the new sheath. And my feeling is that probably what I'll do is use this new sheath for this old wooden Laredo right here. So if you come in close, we'll also do a comparison video. Again, we have the old school logo right here. And I mean, this one's fine, but something I noticed, and even the guy who sold it to me, there are cracks in this handle, and so I'm not sure if you can see the cracks or not. But you know, as temperature goes and it swells and all that, that's just something I'll have to watch out for. Okay, that's good. The sheath, it doesn't like super lock in there. So let me just, for example, so if I did want to carry it in the plastic sheath like that, I actually can get it out. Okay, and well, I might as well try it for the knife it was actually made for. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, that seems okay, and boom, that's easy. Okay, that's okay. So I had a Secure-X sheath for the Natchez Bowie a while back. Squirrels.
Squirrel.
I like squirrels. And so the Natchez Bowie, you remember that sheath, Austin?
Yeah.
It was horrible. Like, you'd have to go like boom, and then you could finally get it out. And but that is actually more manageable. So I could actually see that if I didn't have these cool leather sheaths, I could actually see using that sheath. Okay, so there it is. So this is brass, this is a silver nickel right here, so it doesn't really match, but that's how I'm going to carry it, is with this leather sheath. So I'm really happy. I think this turned out great, and probably my favorite thing so far, a lot of times my hands can get kind of sweaty, and so with this smoother micarta, a lot of times it feels like it's just about to slip out. And you know what it's like if it slips out? It's going to slip out. So me and Austin, we used to spar back in the day, and you got a nice grip on a rubber training knife, and what's going to happen, Austin?
It occasionally falls out.
Yeah, and you're just, I mean, sometimes you'll just drop it. So that handle feels a lot better to me, and the fit and finish again is superb. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll have a meat cut test with this soon.